Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about our religious places. So we know that we all pray to God. So different people worship in God in different ways. Okay. For example, Hindus going where they pray to God. Hindus pray in temples. Muslims pray in mosques. Sikhs pray in Gurudwaras and Christians pray in church. So Hindus having also holy books. So Ramayana and Bhagvadgeeta are the holy books for Hindus, and Hindus celebrate Diwali, Holi, Dussehra festivals. And Sikhs, so holy books for Sikhs are Guru Granth Sahib. So they celebrate Gurudwara and Lohri festival. So Muslims holy books is Quran. So they celebrate the festival Eid. Christians celebrate Christmas festival, and holy books for Christians is Bible. Okay. So this is about our religious places. So I will show you how to write these religious places names in cursive writing. So let's begin. Hindus, Hindus. Hindus, where Hindus prayed the God in temples. Temples, temples. Muslims, Muslims. Muslims. Mosque, Mosques. Mosques. Sikhs, Sikhs. Gurudwara, Gurudwaras, Gurudwaras. Christians, Christians. Christians. Church, church. So like this we practice these religious places in cursive writing in 4-line books. Okay. Thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.